We're about to cook an epic sweet potato breakfast hash. Let's get started. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel I share my family's favorite recipes like this one, short how to cook videos, and healthy lunches. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button. You and I get to cook together twice a week. Let's get started with this breakfast hash by cooking up our sausage. I'm using chorizo sausage, and as you can see, I am breaking it up as it cooks. You could also use breakfast sausage, but I like chorizo because it's got a lot of flavor and it pairs really well with the sweet potato. So now that our sausage is cooked through, I'm just going to remove it from the pan with a slotted spoon. You're gonna leave any drippings in the pan. We're gonna use those to cook our onions and our sweet potato. Now, I went ahead and chopped the onions ahead of time so you wouldn't have to watch me cry while I chop, but you can use frozen ones, those work too. It's been about 3 minutes. My onions are golden. I'm going to season it. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, some garlic powder, some cumin, and some pepper. I'm gonna mix it around. You wanna toast that cumin. It elevates the flavor, makes it taste so much better. And now we're gonna add our sweet potatoes. Now these sweet potatoes I peeled and diced really small. You could also save some time by buying them diced already from the grocery store, or even use butternut squash that comes diced in a bag. Now, by the way, if you find tips like that one helpful, give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them on my channel for you. Now we're gonna cook these down for about 5 minutes or so. Now we're gonna add our water into it to generate some steam, and I'm gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes. So you can see our sweet potatoes are tender now, and at this point, I'm going to add my chorizo back in, and I'm going to add some kale or spinach, whatever you have on hand. Put it right over the top. Kind of tough to mix at first, so what I like to do is put the spinach on top first, cover it with a lid, and let it wilt for about 2 minutes. And once it's wilted, I can mix it all around. This looks incredibly delicious and super nutritious. You got lots of protein, veggies, and complex carbs in here. One final touch is to take some fresh lime juice and put it right over the top. It adds a zest of freshness that's really delicious to balance out this hash. I love to serve this breakfast hash with a fried egg right over the top. So let me plate some of this hash. So delicious. This sweet potato hash is the perfect savory breakfast recipe. Make sure to grab the ingredient measurement right below the video. See you guys next time.